Hi all, this is a quick channel update of what's going on. As you can see, my workshop, or 23A as it's now known, is sitting in the background. I've been working on that quite a bit over the summer break. In fact, this morning I've just been finishing a patio out the back here, which I'm through 3/4 of the way through. So I've now got a place to hide from Jane. I know a few people have asked about how Jane is in the comments. She's really well, enjoying her life off camera. With respect to the channel videos, the Asia Getaway is just coming to an end. The last video will go out this Friday. That's where we come into Hong Kong, just the end of the cruise, which was fantastic. And then we have an extended stay in Hong Kong. We had, I think it was 4 days in the end. So we show you around Hong Kong, which I really enjoyed, to be perfectly honest, before trying to find our way back because of obviously the Iran war. Were just kicked off when we went out, so we had to come a different route back. After that, I've got a couple of episodes of a trip we went out to France in, and obviously in between time I shall be sharing various bits and pieces, projects I'm doing around the workshop, so I can't wait to get stuck into quite a few hobbies I've got lined up and sharing those, and I'll be branding those differently on the channel. You'll see them as probably Tales from 23A or something like that, but it'll be fairly obvious from the thumbnail and the description anyway, whether you want to watch them or not. They're there for you. With respect to getaways, we're hopefully going to get away in the autumn. We were originally going to go down to Spain, which is still possible. We may go via and travel down through France, but perfectly honest, we just need to get away. We've been really busy this summer with lots of appointments between the two of us, as well as jobs around the house. So we just want to just get off in the van, which is always our escape. I have to say, where we can relax the most and where Jane really enjoys it. So we'll probably just get ourselves across the channel and then drift, which is probably now becoming my favourite term of van life, and just go where we want to go, and that with no fixed agenda. So we also might get away between now and when we go to France. I need to go up to Auto Campers up north just to get a small electrical job sorted. Got a slight issue with the mismatch between the Fogstar Leisure battery charger and the Leisure battery. It's all working fine, apart from one circumstance is if you're on hookup. It was something we experienced out in France, to be honest. So when you're on hookup, it charges up okay, it charges up to 100%, and then obviously the van starts to use the power, but then it doesn't cut back in. So somewhere the charger's not informing the BMS on the battery to start charging. Fogstar think it might be a faulty or a mismatch on the battery charger, so they're just going to swap it out as part of warranty anyway. So need to go and get that done. I want to go and just put another 12-volt connector in the van as well while I'm up there. Might as well I'll get Carl at Auto Campers to do that for me, because that way I'll be able to charge the Bluetti off the Leisure battery when we're in high sun and we're maxing out on the battery, and really use the solar on Fogstar to keep topping that up, and that allows me also to top the Bluetti up. So just a small little tweak there will just make things a bit easier when we're off wild campering or not using hookup power. And then coming up next year, we've been planning another big getaway to another country. It is a Vanlife actually a series that we'll share with you. But it's going to be a different type of van life, and one I'm curious to see whether I'm going to enjoy, because it maybe I need to think about changing Harry and getting something different, but you'll see that next year. So that's it really. So I hope you're all well in this heat, certainly in the UK and in Europe. I know it's been extremely warm, in fact too hot in some places, and I know things have taken a turn for the worse, so I hope everybody's safe. And I'll see you, this Friday really, on the Asia Getaway.